Hi, to enable and disable keyboard vibration on the Samsung Galaxy A35, all we have to do is open Settings. Here scroll so we can see the Sounds and Vibration tab. And after that, you should scroll a bit more and choose System Vibration. And first thing you can do is to adjust system vibration intensity by dragging the slider right to make it more noticeable, or left to make it almost unnoticeable or disable at all. And in this tab Vibration Feedback, you can find Samsung keyboard, and if you would like to disable vibration for the keyboard, then tap on the switcher near it and you won't feel any vibration when you are using your Samsung keyboard. If you would like to turn it back on, you need to tap on the switcher so it will light up blue like that. And now you'll feel vibration feedback each time you are typing in. And also we can go back. Here we can go in vibration intensity and adjust it for the system as we did before. So drag the slider left or right. And you can go in system sound. Here find Samsung keyboard as well, and if you would like to disable sound when you're using your keyboard, you need to tap on the switcher so it will become gray, and to enable, just tap on it again so it will be blue. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.